everybody. I'm in the process of bottling up some Dragon's Blood ink and just want to kind of give you a little idea of what I put in mine so you kind of know. First and foremost, I use medieval Dragon's Blood. Let's see if you can see that a little bit better, right? So it's the medieval type. And then I put the juice in it, which is what I call the juice, which is the anvil dust. Um, and after I've soaked it for a moon cycle, I'll bottle it up and seal it. So this is kind of what it is after I've strained it. So it's going to be super super juicy for those of you that are using wanting to get true Dragon's Blood ink, because a lot of the Dragon's Blood ink is made with Dragon's Blood from other areas versus the area that actually it comes from. Dragon's Blood is like, I don't know, 30 different types, right? And I want to make sure that you have the tools that you need to do the work that you're looking to do, and having the best products available. I've sourced, I've looked, I've done the research, I've done all that to try to make sure that you've got really good material to use. And it'll be up on the website, and I'll make it the same way over and over and over again. So it sits for a moon cycle. I'll always put my anvil dust in it. It's made with 99% alcohol to make sure it gets all the extraction out that it needs. Very high concentrated ratio, so it's not just colored. It's actually infused and mixed up and juicy. And you want to do some work with some good stuff, I got the good stuff. We'll see, y'all. Thanks for tuning in.